the second one, and it happens to be in Henderson as well. So I'm going to start the slideshow, and while you can look at the pictures, I'll give you all the details and everything you need to know about this property. First and foremost, this is a single family resident. It's in Henderson. It's in Black Mountain, if you're familiar with Las Vegas or Nevada, Southern Nevada, Henderson, whatever. This one is in Black Mountain. This one is going for, the asking price is $474,888, but it's been reduced $5,000, just a little over 1% in the last 7 days. It's a one-story, single-story home, 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. It's in Black Mountain. It's in a gated community. And then what I'll do next, I'm going to read the agent's remarks on the listing. So this one says upgraded, 1-story, Henderson gated community home, nestled in an irregular, huge lot size with RV parking possibility. Open and inviting floor plan with lots of windows, allowing natural light throughout the home. Enjoy a well-appointed kitchen featuring new quartz countertops, island with breakfast bar, pantry, breakfast nook, and microwave. 2 dishwashers and stainless steel appliances. The primary bedroom is separate from the other bedrooms, and seller has spared nothing to upgrade it with a huge glass shower and separate tub. Seller put a ton of upgrades throughout the home. Approximately $100,000 is what the seller's saying that they put into this home. They provided me with a list of the upgrades that the seller have put into the home, how they improved the home, and I'll read that to you as well. This home features upgraded laminate vinyl plank flooring, upgraded paint, 6-inch baseboards throughout, no carpet, upgraded tile floors in the kitchen area, upgraded washer dryer, full-length patio pavers, because I looked at the pictures, and easy access to walking trails and freeways. Bring your fussiest buyers with a toothbrush and move in today. So that was just me reading the agent remarks. So that's why it probably sounded like I'm reading, because I was. I also want to mention that the seller is willing to pay $10,000 toward the closing costs on this property. Well, they're given a $10,000 concession. So you can use that towards your closing costs, or you can use it toward any work that's needed for this property. This property is also as is. So if you're just tuning in, this property here is for sale. They recently reduced the price $5,000. It was listed initially on the market for $479,888. They just dropped the price to $474,888. They're offering $10,000 to help out the buyer with either closing costs or any repairs. This home has solar panels on it, and solar panel, they're being leased, and the lease is $156 a month. So I think that solar panels are great, considering that the average power bill in Nevada is about $375. So the solar panels will come in handy. It will save you money on your energy bill, and that's a flat $156 a month for the solar panels. Plus you'll get a small bill from Nevada Power that's not even worth mentioning, just for like administrative fees when you have solar panels. These solar panels are leased. So the difference between leased solar panels and financed solar panels is the leased panels, you'll never own them. The finance panels, you'll own them when they're paid for. That's one of the few differences between leasing and financing panels. This home is as is because the seller already made a bunch of improvements to this home, as you can see if you're watching. So they preferred that we let everyone know what has been done to this home. So we'll go and talk about the renovations first. So the doors, let me see. The interior and the exterior has been painted. They installed LVP, which is luxury vinyl planks, throughout the entire house. They put tile in the kitchen, hallway, the entrance, the backyard, the front yard, the bathrooms, and the tile came from Floor and Decor. And they spent over $12,000 on just flooring. Just like the paint, the interior and the exterior paint was over $10,000. They remodeled the bathroom, put a 6-foot long bathtub in with custom glass shower, new faucets, new shower heads, new vanity lights, and they added a backsplash in the kitchen, and they improved the kitchen island, or replaced it. So as far as upgrades, they added a chandelier in the foyer. There's LED lamps in the kitchen, dining area. They've upgraded all the light switches and added over 50 recessed lights with dimmable features. They added a new sink in the kitchen. And new garbage disposal. Let's see. They installed new appliances. So there's a convection oven, microwave, French doors, refrigerator, digitally AI-enabled stove, and washer and dryer. They've also added an alarm dishwasher, plus there's an existing dishwasher. So this home will come with 2 dishwashers. And all the appliances are Samsung with AI capabilities. And you'll also be able to control the thermostat remotely, because it's just pretty much, it's a smart home. The seller spent $100,000 upgrading it. They're offering $10,000 off of it if you buy this home. And they've already reduced the price $5,000 from the original list price. So initially when this home came on the market, the list price, where is it? When it first hit the market, okay, it must have cut off. Okay, so when it first hit the market, the original price was $479,888. They reduced it $5,000 to $474,888. So that's this home. If you're interested in this home, just comment below if you want more information. Again, when I'm done with these homes, I will break this live into smaller clips and I will post them on my page as reels so they're easier to find and share and everything else. So let's move on to the next home. I might as well let this one play out. But yeah, you can tell it's a beautiful home. They did a lot of renovations in this home. This home was built in 2000. So it looks really good. It seems like they brought it up to speed, up to date, made it more modern. So they did a beautiful job. Look at the flooring. Everything just looks luxurious. The baseboards, again, is an improvement. The floor is an improvement. The kitchen, so they just totally revamped the kitchen. It seems like all the appliances are brand new. They're smart appliances, huge backyard, and they have the papers there that they bought from Floor and Decor that are the full length of the backyard there. You do get a little bit of a covered patio, and it's irregular shape, but you know what? It's a huge backyard compared to what you get here in Las Vegas these days. So we're going to move on to the next property. If you just tune in, I'm showing properties that are on the market that are ready to be sold now because they just reduced the price within the last week. And I'm featuring these. There's plenty more, but these are the ones that I'm featuring. So this home looks amazing. This is virtually stage 2, by the way. But it just